Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Flying Beauty. So I know it has been long that I have not posted any video on YouTube. So the foremost thing that because I can't post any videos because I was busy with my daily routine, daily life job, and there was some kind of like demotivation also, you can see. I was overweight and so because of lack of confidence I couldn't post any videos. So but now I'm back and I'll try to be regular to post my videos. So the thing is, I am doing this video because I have been getting many requests from uh, many of my friends, you can see my followers, to post video on a weight loss journey of mine. So weight loss for me is a kind like I can say that during my selection for my job, I had gone through weight loss, and after that, again, after flying for a few months, I started gaining weight for 1.5 years. Like I was overweight, you can say. So it affected my job life also. So, like from last January, you can say, um, I started to think that again I should focus myself to try to reduce my weight. So I started like to go through my weight loss journey from February. I joined a gym that is in my building only. So in this video, I will try to give some tips to my followers, to my friends, on how I started my weight loss journey, how I managed to reduce my weight. Actually, my weight has reached to like 68 kilos, and it was very overweight according to my BMI. But now I have reduced to it. I need to lose more, and right now I am of 56 kgs, you can see. Last 15 days back I have measured my weight. I have not measured it after that, so I don't know what's my weight right now. So I have reduced almost, you can say, 10-12 kgs from February. So the thing regarding my weight loss journey, I like to say that okay, for now actually it may become a long video. So whatever you have, you wanna grab a coke, a popcorn, or anything. But as it's a weight loss video, so popcorn and coke wouldn't be a good choice. You can take some makhanas, I would say, as I am going to talk about weight loss journey. So a makhana and some coconut water you can take, or have a black coffee and sit down and enjoy my gym. So, my trainer, his name is Mr. Abir Dey. Um, he was assigned to me. I have taken PT, like personal trainer. So, he's my personal trainer. So, like for 1 month, I joined gym. He has given me a diet chart, proper diet chart. So, my diet included in the morning, I had a glass of ACV with lukewarm water. After that, for morning breakfast, it suggested me to have a cup of oats with boiled eggs, 4 boiled eggs, so white part only, and 1 or 2 mosambis along with that. So after that, in lunch, he asked me to have one chapati or roti, you can say, any kind of whatever you want, any kind of flour like wheat or almond flour, oats flour, any kind of flour you can take. Just one roti, and along with that some vegetables. That should be stir fried vegetables, not very oily. Okay, or any vegetable curry also, if you are taking, try to cook it in a minimum amount of oil. Use less salt because salt also like enhances your weight, as it has a high sodium in it. We need sodium for our body, but um, if you take salt in large amount, it may damage or it may what I can say wouldn't help you. So try to use less and less amount of salt in your diet. Okay, so after that, okay, so if you are taking one roti, chapati, whatever, say one roti chapati, vegetable, and 250 grams of chicken, any type of protein. Like if you are a vegetarian, then try to have paneer. You can have paneer. Then or soybean also you can take, but I wouldn't prefer soybean. I don't know, he asked me not to have soybean, but you can have paneer. And if you're non-veg, then you can have chicken, fish, whatever you can want to have, you can have it. But try to avoid mutton, because red meat has much amount of what I can say, it has high density of calorie, carbs in it, because it's skin or whatever you can say, it has oils in it. Okay, so it has fat, sorry, not carb, it has more fat in mutton. So I wouldn't suggest to have mutton, but yes, once in a week you can have if you're doing any cheat diet. But for me, I haven't done any cheat diet, okay, during my weight loss journey. So and he asked me to have a bowl of curd yogurt, whatever you can say, you can have that. So try to have as much as green leafy vegetables, like spinach, drumsticks, because it contains fibers, and fibers help you to sustain the water in your body, and they fulfill your stomach. So try to have more and more vegetables, more proteins, include more proteins, but avoid potatoes. Don't have potatoes. Potatoes have high amount of carb in it, so avoid potato. And avoid rice also. Just have one roti in your lunch. Okay, so this was my lunch, and he didn't suggested me to have a cup of green tea, but I myself included a cup of green tea in my lunch. Okay, after having my lunch, I used to have a cup of green tea, because I think green tea helps you to digest and fast up your body metabolism also. So it prevents bloating. So if you are feeling bloated after having a meal, so you can have a cup of green tea. It helps to prevent the bloating. Okay, and it's also good for weight loss. So after that, in evening snacks, if you want to have something, I used to have sand fried that puffed rice, or chiura you can say, which say in Bengali we say chiri, but that should be sand fried, not oil fried. Okay, and grams also, Bengal grams you can say, which is chana, that also sand fried, not oil fried. Okay, you will get it like in a small stalls where they are frying the chole, like, and this chiura in sand, not in oil. Okay, so I used to have that in case I am feeling to have something in my evening snacks. Okay, and for my pre-workout meal, I used to have a cup of black coffee and some 7 to 8 almonds. Okay, so that was my pre-workout meal. So after, if like I'm going to gym or working out in the evening, so that's my pre-workout meal. Okay, and after that, in the dinner, I used to have just some green leafy vegetable or stir fried veggies, and some protein like some paneer or chicken or fish, anything as such. Okay, and one thing, after dinner also, I used to have a cup of green tea. Okay, so this was all my whole diet plan for my weight loss journey. I followed it for like from February to till now. I'm following it. Okay, so this is my whole diet plan. It helped me a lot. It helped me a lot. Like if you see my previous videos, you couldn't see my collarbones, but now my collarbones are visible. So you can imagine how much weight loss I have gone through. Maybe in my face it's not showing, but seriously, trust me, I have gone through weight loss. And one thing I would like to suggest you all, that please try to avoid your fast foods. Okay, as And for me it was very easy to cut all the fast foods because on from March it was total lockdown. Okay. And so we couldn't go out also, so I used to stay indoor in my home only. So no place to go out, not, nowhere you can go and hang out, no restaurants were open, so no fast food, nothing. I stopped totally having any outside food. I used to have only home cooked food and whatever my trainer has told me. So that food also, like home cook, I used to have. And like one more thing I want to tell you that please follow a proper routine of having your meals. Okay, like when you wake up, like let it be 7 or 8. Okay, by 7 try to wake up in the morning, have a glass of ACV, give 1 hour of gap before having the breakfast. Okay, because just don't have anything after having the ACV. Give 45 minutes to 1 hour of gap. Okay, after that 8 a.m. have your breakfast, whatever I suggested, and try to complete your lunch by 12 to 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. between that. Okay, and try to complete your dinner by 8 p.m. or max to max 8:30. Don't extend it to 9:30. Don't. If it's very necessary that you are busy with some work, then only try to extend it from 9:30. Don't make it to 10 p.m. But try to have or complete your dinner by 8 p.m. That's the best time. Because see, if you will have your dinner and just after having your dinner you go to bed for sleep, what will happen? You'll become lethargic. Okay, and your body will not get a proper amount of time to digest the food. If you give a time to digest your food, then your body metabolism will grow fast. Okay, and after having your dinner, try to walk around at least in your room only or in your house only. Try to move around for 15-20 minutes. Okay, don't just have your dinner and come and sit on bed. No, that's a big no. You can have a cup of lukewarm water to have your before having your meals, like for dinner or lunch. If you want to have a cup of lukewarm water before your breakfast also, you can have that, because lukewarm water cleanses your body, detoxifies your body, so you can have that. Okay. So this was my whole process and regarding the diet for my weight loss journey. Okay, and the next part is workout. So guys, if you are only doing your diet and you are not following any workout or doing any workout, it won't help you to reduce your weights. Okay, because our total weight loss depends on 70% of our diet and 30% of workout. Okay, so you need to move your body, because if you want to move your body or do some exercises or workout with your body, your muscles will become stiff. The fats in your body won't get reduced. If you will use your body, if you move your body, then only your body will dissolve all the fats, or use the fats to gain energy, or burn the fats to gain energy. Okay, so you need to move your body. So to move your body, it's not like just walking, because during this lockdown phase it's not possible for us to go and walk. Okay, so you can do home workouts only. You can follow any YouTube videos. Okay, and if you want, you can ask me. I can make another video regarding my workout, what types of workout I used to do, so what cardio I used to do. If you want, just comment down in the comment section and I will help you with another video regarding my workout plan. Okay, what exercises I used to do. So try. But one thing I would like to say that just don't sit and think that yes, I'll start doing workout, I have to reduce my weight. No, it's a big no. So you have to implement that. Okay, so just sitting and thinking that yes, I will do one day, I'll start doing it from tomorrow. No, today is the day. If you are thinking that I have to reduce my weight, okay, I have to work on my body, do it now. not tomorrow. Because in Hindi there is a proverb like कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी होरी करेगा कब. So it means that whatever you are doing, thinking to do tomorrow, there is no time for tomorrow. You have to do it today only. Okay. So if you are thinking for a weight loss journey, start it from today. Implement it from today only. Otherwise, it will become a dream only, and you wouldn't achieve anything. Okay. So because I am saying this because I have experienced it myself. Because I was thinking, yes, I'll do, and I was just keep on thinking that I will do. I haven't implemented. So when I implemented, it was just like a miracle. Yes, I was having my diet, I was doing workout, and it was worked like magic. Okay, so if you are thinking to do it now. Okay, from today only. So this was the thing that I followed for my daily. I followed for my weight loss. It's nothing much. It's not a rocket science that you cannot do. Okay, it's not a big deal. You can do it by staying in home only. You did not have to go to the gym. As I told you that I joined gym, but due to the lockdown during, I just went for the gym 1 month. Okay, and after that lockdown happened and gyms were closed. So I used to interact with my trainer that what type of workout should I do. He used to guide me a lot. He used to motivate me a lot. Till now, gyms are not open, and till now I am in contact with him. He always supports me. He always tells me. He always tells me, provide me correct information that what I need to do, what I did not have to do. So thank you, Mr. Abir, for always motivating me. And till now you are supporting me. I hope that I get to see you very soon, and I want to go to gym. I am very excited and eager because I am almost done with my weight loss, but now I need to tone my body. Okay, so for toning I need to go to the gym. I know that we can tone our body in my home also, but I am not I don't have any proper knowledge regarding toning of my body. So it will be my trainer who is the best to help me to tone my body. So once I am toned with my body, I'll surely make a video regarding that also, that how I toned up my body. But I think it will take some time. So till then, I'll be keep doing my workout at home only. I want to tell you guys that during this weight loss journey, try to avoid totally sugar content. Okay, try to avoid sugar. No sugar, no junk food. Minimum oil. Okay, and so because if you are having any sweet cravings, then you can have banana pancake. Okay, you can have oats cookies, homemade oats cookies. I myself have prepared homemade oats cookies. So if you want me to make a video on it, I'll make a video on it, how to make oats cookies. Okay, sugar-free oats cookies. You can make it at home. It's very easy. So please avoid sugar, oil, chips, cold drinks. No junk food, no sugar, no ice cream, nothing. Because these things increases your weight. They have high amount of calories on it. So no sugar while on weight loss, no junk food, no fast food, no soda, no coke, no cold drinks, no ice cream, nothing. This is all that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you like my video, if my video motivated you at all, so please share my video, like my video, and just if you are new to my channel, just hit on the bell button next to the screen. You will get notified whenever I post any videos. Okay, and comment down below that what video you want me to do next, so that I can help you out. I am thinking to come with a proper preparation on how to be a cabin crew, or how to go for the interview for a cabin crew, so that it helps you for your betterment and for better preparation for the interviews. So stay tuned with the channel and just keep supporting me. I know you guys love me a lot, and so sorry for being so late to post the video. It has been I know maybe 9 to 10 months that I have not posted any video. So just keep supporting me, keep your blessings on me, keep showing your love to me. I'll come up with new videos. I'll try to come up with new videos every 2 days a week for sure for now. So thank you so much. Bye. Love you. Bye.